Hello friends, once again I welcome all of you to mass training. Today I will show you a very important topic in Excel, how to type correct date without knowing your computer format. Please watch till end to know a lot of tricks and tips and Excel date issues. Once you start your computer, in the bottom right part of your window, see here my cursor is moving, we get our date format. In my computer now showing 29-11 2023. We get date and time both here. So while typing date in your computer, you have to follow this format. I mean, if you are typing date now today and you want to type 29th of November, you need to type first DD and then MM, then YY. So my computer format is DD MM YY. And as you know, for your kind informations, we cannot change actual date format from Excel. Lots of people have confusion. We can change date format using Excel, but no. If you go to format cell, keyboard shortcut for this is Control 1. Control 1, I mean format cell. If you change some format from here, you are changing just look only, not the actual. I mean, if you go to custom here, and by the way, if you change format here, you just make it, suppose my format is DDMMYY. Suppose you say mm-dd-yyyy. So I am changing format to mm-dd-yyyy. It's a US format normally. Once you click OK, lots of people have confusion that we have changed our format. No, you have changed your look. If you double click on this cell, it's still your format is same. I mean DDMMYY. So by using Excel format cell or any way, you cannot change your date format. You change just look only. So if you want to enter date, even after seeing this, you need to change, I mean enter date in this computer Excel in DDMMYY format. If you want to change your date format in actual, you need to go to control panel, and there we have different control panel regions, and I will in another video I'll show you how to go to control panel and change your date from there. So Excel cannot change your actual date format. So there's a big confusions. People type date in Excel without knowing their own format, and sometimes that become text. Example, my computer date format, if you see, is DDMMYY. Just I highlight this cell for your just look purpose. I make it bold also. If I type date here, suppose I want to type date here at 21st of November, I need to type this way 21 dash or slash, both are compatible in date as separator. Dot we cannot type, so 21 dash or slash both are okay. 11 dash 2023, this is the right format. But if you type here in mmddyyy format, because sometimes people don't care and just suppose I have habit of typing first month. So once I open this computer Excel here, I am typing 11 and then month is first here, then I was supposed to type 21st of November, so 11 dash 21 dash 2023. I am thinking this is 21st November 2023, but actually it is text, because if you type a valid date into a cell, I type some date here, today is 29, so I say 29-11 2023. If you hit enter key, it aligns by default right. So dates and numbers are aligned by default to the right of cell, and text aligns to the left of cell. If you see your yellow highlighted date, it may looks like date, but this is text because by default alignment goes to left. And then if you want to apply filter on such dates, you cannot do this because this is text. And sometimes people say when we type date, so I am typing here again 11/21/2023. People says when I drag it down, all right, rather than day increment, year gets incremented. You see, notice 23, 24, 25, 26. There's a common questions everywhere people ask to me. Why sometime dates, when I drag my dates towards down or right, rather than day increment, year gets incremented? Because these are text. You are not typing this. You are not typing valid dates here. If you type a valid date, suppose I type a valid date here, 29/11, as per my computer, it's valid because my computer format is DDMMYY. So I am following my computer format, and then I am dragging towards down or right. You see 29, 30, then 1st December, 2nd. It's perfectly incremented because this is, we have typed valid date. But if you type invalidate, I mean against your computer, so if I type rather than 29, I type 11 month first and 29, so it's a text. Then you drag it down or in right, they will not increase. See, here are increasing 23, 24, 25, 26 and all. So while typing date, be very careful. You need to follow your computer format, and you can check your computer format in the bottom right part of your windows. That is the actual format. Now the major questions comes. This is a frequently asked question. Is any safest way to type data in Excel without knowing your computer format? Because sometimes what happens, say today is 11th of November. So when you see your bottom right part, it would be 11/11. So it's confusing whether month first or day first, because sometimes we confuse in such terms. Suppose my computer format here DDMMYY. So today is 9th of November, so I'll get 9/11. So people have a questions whether month first or day first. So is any safest way to type data in Excel without knowing a computer format? Yes, I'll show you. So I'm typing here. I highlight this cell. Best way to type date in your computer without knowing your computer date format is, today is what, 29th of November. So type 2 digit of your date. So 29, then dash, then you type 3 alphabet of month. So this month is November, NOV. You can type small also, capital also. Then again dash, and then year, last 4 of year, 2023. Once you hit enter key, it would be converted automatically to your computer format, whatever it is. So if your computer format is DDMMYY, it would be converted accordingly. If your computer is MMDDYY, it would be converted accordingly. So this is the safe format. You can say most safe formats. You can say safest format to type date in any computer in Excel without knowing your computer's date format. And this would be the right always. So suppose I'm going to type 31st March. So I type 3/1, first 2 of day, dash, and then 03, sorry, 3 letter of month in text, MAR. It can be small also, capital also, dash, and then year. It can be 4 of year, or you can say 2 of year also. If your format is, suppose I say short date format, further you can format it the way you want. So conclusion is, if you want to type date in Excel in correct format without knowing your computer format, the rule is, the best way, safest way is, type first two digit of your day dash, and then type three alphabet of your month, like this is my 29 dash. You can type slash also, but best way is type dash, and then three alphabet of first three only, remember, either in small or capital, dash, last four of year or last two of year. So first two of your day in number dash, three alphabet of your month, small or in capital, dash, two digit of your year or four. This will automatically convert your date into your machine format, whatever it is. So no need to worry. Otherwise, if you type wrong format of date in your computer, it will behave as text, and further you cannot apply any filter. You cannot process your data. I mean, suppose I am not aware about my computer format, date format. So I have typed here, today is 29th of November. I was having habit of typing month first, so I said 11 and then 29 and then the year, and suppose I type such more dates. These all are text. I am typing text, and if you apply filter here, it will not work as, I mean, filter will not work. See, these all are text because you have typed text, you have typed date against your computer format. You are not typing as per your computer date format. So neither you can apply filter nor you can do anything else, and it's not easy to convert all in one shot because these all are text. Even the format cell will not help you here to correct all these text into date because these are text. There's a process, there's a way to correct all these days, I mean dates, into the right format. Next video I'll tell you I mean how to correct your wrong dates if it comes from sources into your machine format in very short time. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, write some comments. Also let me know what are the other hot areas where you want me to create videos for you. Accordingly, I'll create videos in coming times. Please let us know. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this, and also please write some comment. This will encourage me for further videos. Thanks for watching this video till end. Please let me know your hot areas of Excel where you are stuck in, so I can create such videos for you all for your future reference. Thank you very much.